Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a little cleaning motivation. We're going to see how much we can get done before 1 o'clock today. First, I am starting off with some laundry. I did get behind on the laundry this weekend because Sunday I dropped the kids off at my mom's and I literally shopped till I dropped. And it was so nice to get out by myself and just have a day where I could walk through the stores with no interruptions. So I literally soaked it all in, enjoyed every single moment, but I did get behind on some house chores. So usually I will start in the kitchen and clean that up, but you know what? I've just learned my lesson lately that do not clean the kitchen first, because by the time I get done cleaning the kitchen, it is then time for lunch. Then I have to clean the lunch up. Then I don't have time to clean anything else. So I have started in the bedroom and then move to my bathroom to get all of this done and just kind of reset everything before the summer days start. I'm going to be super busy with the kiddos, so I just want to kind of make sure that everything is reset and good to go. So when we moved out of our other house to build this house, we got rid of literally everything. And I've been meaning to get a dresser for my middle child, but we actually, when we redid our master closet, we're able to literally put everything in our master closet. So our bedroom set is like 8 pieces. We've got the bed, the 2 nightstands, and then we have 3 dressers. So we took one of the dressers and moved it upstairs to her bedroom, and it works out perfectly. Now, right here, we were talking about moving the room around, just kind of playing around with the room. We weren't really sure how we wanted to set the room up, and I do want to do an accent wall on whichever wall that my bed is on. So I decided to move the bed over to this wall, just give it a try, see how it feels. We kind of wanted to be able to look out of the windows as well. So we're going to give this a try. I'm going to kind of stare at it for a few weeks, see if I want to make this an accent wall. I like it so far. I just don't want to make an accent wall that I don't know that I'm going to keep my bed on. And you guys, I am still keeping all the blankets on top of the couch, but I did want to tell you all, if anybody is looking for a comfortable couch, this is the one. This is the Drew and Jonathan, the Property Brothers couch, and it's modular. It actually comes with like some consoles as well, but we opted to not get those. I don't really need the consoles to like charge my phone and all that kind of stuff. But it is a modular couch. You can move it around different ways. You can add pieces, take away pieces, whatever you want. It is so comfortable, and I highly recommend it. So we're wrapping up the kitchen, and then I wanted to share with you all a delicious recipe that I made the other day with all of these raspberries that I bought. It is a raspberry blondie bar with white chocolate. So good. So we're going to make those here shortly. I ended up going to Sam's Club and hit the jackpot on fruit. Okay, for my Sam's Club haul, we got the Oikos 18-pack of Greek yogurt. These run about 13 something, and it's the best deal that you'll find. We got 2 rotisseries at $4.98 a piece. And then I hit the jackpot on fruit, okay? $1.48 per package on these raspberries. So I got basically 8 packages of raspberries that you'd get at the regular grocery store. I got 2 packages of blueberries. They were, I'll have to go back and check, I think $2.48. And then the strawberries were $2.98. So definitely hit the jackpot on that. We got a pack of bananas, cucumbers, avocados are one of the best deals there, lunch meat, milk, and then I originally went just for dishwasher tabs and paper towels. And then we also got a case of water. So we get the mega roll of paper towels. And then let me not forget that I also went specifically also for Pediasure. You get, let's see, how many bottles are in here? 24 bottles, and these run like $38, $39. Last thing I wanted to share with you all, when I went shopping yesterday, I found this fruit and veggie organizer. I thought it was great. So I am going to prep all of that fruit and get it sectioned out into these little compartments. I just thought it would be really handy for summertime coming up. We can just pull this out. Everything's prepped, ready to go. And we can just grab the fruit that we want. It's perfect for snacking. I just absolutely loved it.